Hello, hello. This is Friday's math lesson, Solve and Color by Adding and Subtracting. Our goal for today says I can find the sum of an addition problem and I can find the difference of a subtraction problem. All right, so this is your worksheet for today. So this is very similar. Actually, it's pretty much the same thing that I think you guys did one day last week. At the very top of your paper here, it does give you colors to color depending on the number. So you have blue, 2 is blue, 3 is pink, 4 is black, 5 is white, and 6 is green, 7 yellow. You also have a number line here if you would like to use that to add or to subtract. I will kind of show you that today as I do a couple of examples. The math problems on the worksheet are addition and subtraction. So you have to make sure you are really paying attention to whether it's asking you to add or subtract. So make sure you look at that. Otherwise, your picture or your colors are going to be off, and your picture is going to look a little wacky. So make sure you're looking at if it's asking you to find out what you have altogether or if you're taking away. Okay, sure. Let's try one here. So I'll just do one example real quick here for you. Let's see. Actually, I'll do one of each. So here we go, 5 plus 2. I want to show you because I want to show you how to use the number line again. We haven't seen one for a while, so if you would like to use the number line instead of drawing pictures or using fingers or anything like that, then I'm going to just quickly do a review of that. So what the first one we're going to do is this one here. It says 5 plus 2. Okay, so if I use the number line, then I'm going to start the number I'm going to start on the number line is going to be the first number in the math problem. So, for example, this one is 5 plus 2. 5 is the first number, so I'm going to come up to the number line. I'm going to start at 5. And I know it's asking me to add. So if I add to 5, is my number going to get bigger or is it going to get smaller? If I add more, it's going to get bigger. So that means I'm going to go up the number line where the numbers are getting larger because I want to make my number needs to get bigger. Okay, so 5, and it's asking me to add 2, which means I'm going to jump 2 numbers. So I start at 5. I'm going to go 6, 7. Sorry. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So I would color 7 here. It says yellow. So I would color my little stripe here yellow. All right. And then let's do one that's subtraction, which is 7 take away 3. Actually, let's not do that one because I don't have that color. Let's do, there we go. Okay. I had to find one. Okay, we're going to do this one right here. 8 minus 6. Okay, so remember I said if you're using the number line, you're going to start at the first number in the problem, which in this one it is 8. So I'm going to start at 8, and I need to take away 6. So that means if I'm taking away, my number is going to get smaller. So I'm going to go this way on the number line, and I need to move how many spaces? 6. So I'm going to do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I have 8 and I take 6 away, I have 2. And if I look at my key here, 2 is blue. So I would color this whole shape here blue. Okay. Okay, so I would continue to color that in blue and then move on to my next problem. Now, here is what I'm going to say about the worksheet. There are a lot of problems on this worksheet. I do not want you to sit down and do all of these today. This is way too much for you guys to do in one sitting, in one day. it's way too much. So this is what I'm going to say about the worksheet as far as turning it in. If you would like to complete some of this today, maybe you want to finish one part of it. Maybe work on the bee. You could finish the bee part today. Maybe you want to kind of work on this flower here, maybe the beehive. Maybe you want to pick one part of the picture to complete for today. And then you can kind of do parts of it to complete it. Way too much to do at one time. Okay, so you can share with me today the one part that you complete for today, or if you would like to take a couple days or through the weekend to complete the entire picture and then send it to me, that is fine too. It is completely up to you. However, please do not sit down today and do this whole entire worksheet. It is way too many problems for you to do. Please do not do that. However, it is your choice how you want to share. So completely up to you. Again, you can do a small portion today and share with me what you've done for today, or you can take a few days and complete the whole thing and then share the entire picture with me. It does not make any difference to me. It is completely up to you. Okay? So if you have questions about the worksheet or about what I'm asking you to share, please let me know and I can clarify it. If not, then I will look forward to either sharing part of your work today or I will look forward to seeing it in a few days. And either way, best. And I hope that you have a great weekend and I look forward to seeing you all on Monday. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye.